If you love the warmth and comfort of farmhouse decor, but want to stay on a budget, this video is just for you. Today, we're sharing simple and affordable ways to bring rustic charm into your home using items you may already have, or can find for just a few dollars. Let's get started with these cozy and creative ideas. Mason jar vase display. Use empty mason jars as vases for fresh or fall flowers. Wrap them with jute twine for a rustic touch. Repurposed wooden crates. Old crates can be used as shelving or stacked to create storage. Leave them natural or paint them white for that farmhouse look. Framed botanical prints. Print vintage botanical images and frame them with thrifted or repainted frames for charming wall art. Ladder blanket rack. Find an old wooden ladder and lean it against a wall to hold throws or quilts. It adds both function and farmhouse style. DIY burlap table runner. Use a strip of burlap fabric as a table runner. It adds texture and a rustic feel to any dining table. Farmhouse candle holders. Turn old glass bottles or spindles into candle holders. Use neutral candles to complete the look. Galvanized metal buckets. Use small galvanized buckets as planters or to hold kitchen utensils, adding a country touch to your counters. Distressed chalkboard sign. Make a small chalkboard sign with a wooden frame and write a simple message or menu idea. Vintage plates wall display. Hang old plates with floral or blue and white designs as wall art. It's inexpensive and adds personality. DIY floating shelves. Install simple wooden planks with brackets and use them to display small decor like framed photos, mini plants, or pottery. Cotton stem arrangements. Fall cotton stems are affordable and look beautiful in a white pitcher or tall jar. Reclaimed wood tray. Use scrap wood to create a rustic tray for your coffee table or ottoman. Great for candles, coasters, or a stack of books. Farmhouse tier tray decor. Fill a tier tray with small seasonal items, candles, or kitchen accessories for an easy and rotating display. Checkered or striped tea towels. Hang neutral tea towels with soft checkered or striped patterns for a subtle farmhouse kitchen update. Wall hooks with baskets. Use wall-mounted hooks and hang wire or woven baskets for storage. This works well in mudrooms or entryways. Thank you for watching. Adding farmhouse charm to your home doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little creativity, you can make your space feel warm, welcoming, and full of character. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. See you next time, and happy decorating!